Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a Dollar Tree haul to share with you all today. So let's get started because there's a few bags. I'm just going to start with the first bag that's nearest to me. I found the little tripods. I'm afraid they're in different bags, but that's okay. I got 3 of the black tripod stands and 1 of the blue. It's for my son Kellen. I got these tripods because everybody wants it, my son, my husband, so now I'm just accommodating them because they were very hard to find, but I finally got them just last night when we were going on Zoom. Brandy, who's Brandy Z Zimmerman here on Instagram and YouTube, she found these stands also, so that was a fun night. If you missed it, I'm sorry. We did Zoom and it was hilarious. But anyway, my son picked up the fudge stripes. These are so cute. I love this size box, but he got that. And then I got these iced oatmeal cookies, and Dollar Tree apparently is the only store so far that I've found these cookies. These are my all-time favorite oatmeal cookies, in case you needed to know all that information. And then we said we're going to do a movie night tonight, so I got 2 boxes of the Crunch a Bunch of whatever, Bunch of Crunch and Raisinets. So I'm going to have that for tonight. I did grab several packs, 4 packs of these disposable masks, so each pack has 2 in there. Apparently it came in handy. I used one in my car before I bought these. I bought 2 packs, one for my husband, one for myself to put in each car. But yeah, those come in handy on a tight situation. You forget your mask or something. I found this desk sign by the cash register, and this one says "This girl can." It's just the plastic acrylic. They also had some new pouches, and I found these 2 also by the cash register. It's where I found most of the nice goodies. And this one just has all the horoscope signs. I thought this was really, really cute, and I hope to share that with somebody special. And I love this because it's got pinks and purples especially, and blues in there, so very, very pretty. That's gonna be for some great happy mail. I bought 3 pairs of flip-flops. Now they're very cute, but I also wanted to get them to make signs, because look at these flip-flops, guys, at Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna make a summer sign. If it doesn't work out, I can always, use them as they were intended. But for now, that's what I've got. And guys, my Dollar Tree is stepping up the Crafter Square game, because I didn't think they would ever have the good stuff, the fun stuff and all that. But guess what? I found 2 of the retractable holders. These are those little things that it twists open. I'm sorry for all the crinkling. And you can fit stuff in here. It also comes with like a little handle right there, or strap. So these are not new stuff, but this is for like poster boards and stuff. So I got 2 packs of them because they're like the donut sprinkles. I thought that was really cute. But what I'm talking about really are the Project Life cards. You guys, do you see this? This is amazing. I never thought I would get them, but here they are. Okay, so let me share with you what I got. 2 of these Princess Project Life cards. There's 1, same pack. And then there is, let's go with this one because this one's right here, Project Life. There's 40 themed cards. And you guys, let's see. That's what they look like. I'd pull it out, but I think I'll do a separate video as far as what's in there, so the video won't be so long. I guess I got 1 pack of the XOXO Very cute. Ooh, this one's a little die cut out. Okay, I will do a separate video as what's in there. This one is the Christmas Noel. So that's what they look like, the very traditional colors. I am so happy with this kit. So I got 2 of these. I found the Heidi Swapp stickers, you guys. I saw these and I was like, I'm gonna be the prude that's gonna buy all of them. So I bought all 4 of them. And that's what they look like. They're puffy stickers, guys. Heidi Swapp for $1. Go for it. You got some hearts. I don't know what that word says. Probably says today or something. And then there's XOXO, beautiful day. And then live, wonder, and one awesomeness, make it happen. So I got 4 packs of these. I love them. I also picked up 4 packs of these. These are Heidi Swapps too, and there's 91 pieces in there. They're the word stickers, guys. So that is so cool. I wonder if there's if it's just 1 sheet or 2. Okay, I can't open it without busting the whole thing open. I'm not ready to open the whole thing up yet, so I'll do that in the next video or another video so I can go through each one. So here it says precious, all mine, smile, bliss, us, now. It's the gold foiling, unique, happiness, relax. Here we go, guys. This one, there's new words here, or different words from pink. Wonder, fab, so fun, us and you, adventure, explore, remember, cherish, smile together. This is awesome. You and me, fun filled, daily, funny, so charm, no way, wishes today, maybe. I got 4 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4. I also found these, what are they called? Enamel shapes. So Heidi Swapp, there's 25 pieces in each pack, and I got 4 of them. There's the gold stars, silver stars, and this one looks like either rose gold or copper, but they're glittery. I am so excited. You guys see all this gorgeous, there's like glittery, they're bubbly, glittery, puffy stickers, and I love them. Once again, I gotta squeeze all my puppies. So for those, I hit the mother load. That was just so awesome. I never see these things, and then I go in there today and I see them all. I did pick up 6 of these, and although they're a greenish enamel color, there's 32 pieces in here, and they're just some are glittery and some are just the colors. They're all the same. This is the glitter one. This is the I don't know what to call them, the plain colors. And then there's a, I don't know, is that like a it's some sort of a green. It's darker than the other 2, but it's very cute, all of them together. I love it. It's gonna be perfect for Christmas. I can't wait. I can't wait to get using these and to share some of them. Guys, and I say I hit the mother load with the Crafter Square. They actually just put these, all of these things that I'm showing you now, they just put these out today, and I got lucky. I went right at the right time. This is the paintbrush organizer, or it's just an organizer. All right, so I got these little pencil boxes, and I just realized this one is cut. You know how they are when they open up the boxes, but that is okay because once you get your goodies in here, it won't even matter. So I got these containers. I got 2 of each color. So I got 2 of the purple and 2 of the teal and pink. So that's what that looks like. And I'm going to use these to organize and for goodie boxes. Those are just the pencil pieces. Then I found some good little sachets, I guess. What are they called? Crossbody bags. And they open like that. I thought this would be so cute for some Happy Mail. So we're going to use that for some Happy Mail. And they had this pattern also. Like that. And they're sturdier than I remember them doing these bags, and they look, you know, very tough. And look at that. I'm like pulling on that sucker hard, but I really, really love this, these 2 bags. So I grabbed those 2. I did get these 2 containers from the school supply area. They also had the magazine holders and the baskets and stuff like that, but they looked so small, and I figured I could pick these up and just use it as my table organizers. Somehow keep me organized up here. I did grab 2 more of the Jot bubble wrap, and then I found these foams. My mom in particular was asking for these little green foams because she does flowers for family members for All Souls Day on Guam. So I got her a few of those. I was looking for the little ones that Louisa had gifted me at Dollar Tree, but my Dollar Tree had these big ones, and there's 2 to a pack. So I picked these up, and I will be using that in my craft room. I did grab me some sticky notes, only because I like the shape of these sticky notes, the heart shape, and I will put that up here. I got another thing of the square foams, the Jot square foams, and then Crafter Square. I found these wooden carving tools. I'll be giving this a try. The Crochet Hooks. Whoops, that's pens. These are Cello Super Glide, and there's 3, and all 3 are the colors of the cap. So pink, purple, and blue. That's for me, of course. I found crochet hooks. So this one is the 4.5, but they're also the ergonomic kind of hooks. Let me see if I can get this out. I'm trying to wiggle it out. There we go. And they're kind of, the handle itself is a hard plastic, but it feels better than my metal hooks that I have, that I bought from, or that I received for Mother's Day. They feel a lot easier to hold. They're not as, I don't know, I can't explain it, but it feels a lot nicer. It's still a hard plastic, but the hook itself is metal. So I got this one. It's a 4.5 millimeter. I got this one in purple. It's 5.5 millimeter. Now notice these are individual hooks, okay? And then I got this one, which is a 5.0 millimeter. So those 3 right there. But then I saw these, which are plastic also, and the whole hook itself is plastic. So this is a 6 millimeter, 6.5 millimeter. These are the sizes of the hooks, okay? That's the difference. They're the same. Some of them will be the same measurements as the metal ones. This one is a 4.0 millimeter and a 4.5 millimeter. So they're right here, the measurements. And look at how tiny, teeny tiny these are, okay? And then I got this one. It's the 5.0 and the 5.5 millimeter. Now you see the differences in them, in the hooks. This one is the 4.5 millimeter. I don't know. Yeah, they look the same. But that is the hooks that I found. This one is 5.0, 5.5, 6.0, 6.5, 4, and 4.5. And then here are the other 2 phone tripods. So this is what I use when I go on Zoom, and I love it. So you guys, I finally found those. I'm so happy because now my family can stop asking me for mine, and now they have their own. The only thing left to show you is this Dollar Tree bag. It is gigantic, and I just told her to put my stuff in there. I didn't even realize that it has a snap button right here, snap closure. It's so cute. So this will be my new going to the post office bag. It says good things are coming. I was like, that is a beautiful bag, and it's sturdy. Oh, I'm sorry. I did find these 3 markers, the Crafter Square metallic markers. So we have, they're all fine tips, 0.05 fine tip metallic markers. So I can't wait to play with these. Acid free, blue, and this one doesn't even say what colors they are, but you can see it, guys. There's a blue, like a rose gold, and a purple or pink, like a pink. So that is it, finally. That's the last of my Dollar Tree haul, and I can't believe some of the things that I found, because I wouldn't have thought that these would ever be at my Dollar Tree. Heidi Swapp and Project Life. Yes, please. From Dollar Tree. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye.